All right. Good morning. We are here. Good morning, Predator. Kind of see what we get here. A little early today, but we'll see what happens. Let's kind of see what happens here. We got about 10 after 9. See what kind of news we got. I don't think we got too much news today. Good morning, Tom. You the man. Kind of pushing below the VWAP here. I kind of want to see price test that 34 level down there, so I marked that out. Got the new day opening gap down there at 210. See if we kind of push through there or not. We shall see. I don't know. Kind of had a short trigger right there at the 280. 5-minute close below that trend line there. So, good morning, Yuri. Good morning, Tamimi. I want to see a pushback below the low of this wick here. I think we can get a little run lower there if we can. Back through the 65s. ES back below the VWAP there. Let's see if she wants to run. Nice little push here. See kind of what happens at the 55 level. That's where we bounced earlier. Want to see it push right through there. Just kind of watching. I am in over here on an eval, my take profit trader eval here. Targeting the 51 on my first contract here, but because we've bounced a couple times, I am going to go ahead and move de-risk a little bit here. I'm going to try to wait for us to get below that wick there to move my stop down more, but I would like for it to hit the 51 fairly quickly here. I didn't drop this stop yet, so it's one of these ones where I think if we get through that wick right there, we probably go. So thinking about locking in 10 on this first one here. I think I'm going to. So I'm going to lock in 10 on the first one there. I would like to see it push down into the 50. But if it can't, then I'm going to take 10 there. I could just park it at break even. Maybe we just park it at break even and wait for it to get through that low. Good morning, Dean. Good morning, Coper. Kind of watching it here. I want it to get through this wick with some, well, I don't think it's going to get through there with any kind of speed per se. You're not the only one short right now looking for 330. Yes, I think the 330 is a good level. Good morning, Ben. You the man. Let's go, Ben. Nice job. $1,000. Do I just take this one off here? I'm going to take it off at that low. All right. And now we'll see kind of what we get from there. I want to see speed. There we go. That's what we want to see. Watching the ES here. Maybe I target a little lower here. Maybe I do target the 30. Will you pass the Bulenox? No, Nate. It'll just show on your dashboard an invoice to pay. So this is my eval from Take Profit Trader that we made $1,500 on yesterday. 20 more points, $400 more. That will be close to passing us. We'll be very close to passing if that hits. We'll be very close to passing if that hits. If you can see, I entered this trade off this 5-minute here. So the close below this trend line there and the close below the VWAP on the 5-minute, I use the 30-point stop with a 30-point take profit generally. But if you zoom out here, you can kind of see your next level is right down here at 234. You do have a wick down here inside of fair value gap at 228. That could be a good draw, but I think your kind of low-hanging fruit is the 234 there. But since we hit that first target there, I'm going to stop sin at break even. Can't lose. And let's see if it runs. We've closed down 315 in profit, so let's go, Ben. Get to 11. That'd be nice. That'd be awesome. Now, if we get back below this low, I could trail my stop down to this swing here. I probably could already trail it down to there. Could even maybe trail it down to here. Do I just go for the 28? I don't know, though. Trying to decide. So 20 points from here, we're up that. That's another 4, so it puts us at 940. $1,200. We would need another 300 to pass. I mean, we really could get it. So what would I need? Another 15 points? 210? 215? You never know, right? All right, we'll target 215, and what we'll do is we'll trail like pretty hard. We'll trail pretty hard once we get into that 30 level. We do have the new day opening gap down there at 210. Could be a good spot. So back below this low here, I do think I will trail my stop down a little more here. All right, so maybe to here. And again, I think 234 is a safe spot. So let's mark that out. To me, that's the safe target. But we could run lower than that. Like, that's the safe target. So there's the safe target. You see me hitting it. You see it hitting over there on the 5-minute. Could run lower, so that's what I'm kind of going for here. Going to trail it hard here. So my original target, I got the stop in there, and we're going to try to pass this account. What do we need? Just a little more here to pass. All right, stopped out. Plus $1,300 on that trade right there. Nice. You can see my entry here. Took it on the push back up, scaled in 2 minis. Excuse me. And I took that off. Basically, all I'm looking at here is your 5-minute trend line, right? Starting here, 1 touch, 2 touch, no close below there. And then this nice bearish move with the close below the VWAP. That's my entry. This is kind of something a little different that I've been paying attention to here. And I'm comfortable with it on evals. And then your first kind of take profit is your first kind of shelf of support there. So you can kind of see we had a little shelf here. And then your second target's the second shelf here at the 34s. Your final target would be down here at the 201s. So this was something a little different that I've been paying attention to there. But yeah, up $1,300 on that trade. You can see us bounce off that second level there. This is an obvious bounce area. I thought there was a chance we might get down to the 25 or the 15 on a push through, but didn't quite get there. Well, that's all right. So just need $200 more on this account to pass. I did also take this on this My Funded Futures account, but I just took it off at the first shelf. So I took the funded account trade off at the first shelf there. Just one single funded account there. Good morning, Francis. How you doing? All right, so now we'll get out of this chart. Well, we're in the same chart, but let's put our targets on here for our normal funded trades. Took the same trade. Let's go. Nice job, Tech T. Yeah, I've been trying to pay attention to more towards those higher time frame stuff. No real reason why. I don't know. I've been seeing them pay, and so I kind of, you know, when you see stuff like that, you start to take it. You start to pay more attention to it. Very, very simple stuff. Nothing. There's no rocket science to that at all there. Zero rocket science there. I still think that 943 is going to be our draw. Kind of shocked at how close we got to it. But what did we talk about last week? What has NQ been doing? When you have a clear and obvious level, NQ has been doing this. Exactly. You know what I mean? Like, it's not going straight to the target on the first push towards it. It's kind of marking out obvious wicks here. So previous day low down there, 989. We break that. We certainly will be bearish today. I think we probably are anyway. Relative equal highs up there at the 450s. They're not exact, but they are there. Previous day high sitting up there at the 660. Excellent exit there on my part. See, marked it out, followed the rules, bam. That's how you do it. That's a pretty V-shaped reaction off that level there too. 21,200 Virgin point of control. Nice target down. Yeah, I think that's a good spot too, because 210 is your new day opening gap start, and the low is 198. So thank you, Predator. Okay. Doom, doom, doom. The boys did win last night, the baseball game. They won 16-1. They run ruled the other team. If you're up 15 after 3, game is over. So they run ruled them, and yeah, nice early game. Nice early game. Jay, good morning. Cafecita. And bacon. Coffee and bacon, a good combination. So certainly trending lower here. Kind of looking like, you know, maybe we want to continue to push lower. Yeah, that was a whooping time. There are new rate payout rules for Apex, 8 trading days, and that you can take the payout whenever, not on certain days anymore. Yes, yep. So 8 trading days. I think you can still flip 2 days. So I think you can flip 2 days still, but you got to have 5 $50 day or more. So 5 of the days have to be $50 or more. Good morning, Clarity. And Apex currently 80% off. Coupon code MYTH, MYTH. We do have new home sales at 10. But look at this thing still going. That was a big bounce, though. I think I was smart for taking profit there. I mean, that's a 40-point bounce. It would not have gotten us tagged out. Our entry was 77, I think was our average. So could have left it at break even and just seen if it could get there, but you know. What up, Bassett? Good morning. Yeah, let's check the news. I think there's just new home sales at 10. We got some oil news today, too. 10, what time's oil? 10 o'clock? Yeah, as well. Yeah, new home sales 10. Yep, that's pretty much it. Is that our 925 candle? Almost. 924. Look at this thing go. Look at her go. 55-point sell. Let's go. Nice job, Bassett. I like it. Yeah, I took a sell there, too. You're up 10K on a 300K PA you got for free from Patrick Whelan. I have 4 days so far, today being the 5th. Nice job. Nice job. So what do I need to pass this? $200. We need 41 ticks. Can we find 41 ticks without doing anything stupid? I don't know. Can we? Good morning, Mad Moxie. Can we? That's the question. Right now, 16, Bassett. $16, I think. Yeah, 16. I'm working on two more. I'm working on a take profit trader that will make it 17, and then I tried to buy another MyFunded futures yesterday. Can we push back through the lows here? Retest the 30 potentially. I did re-enter here on the eval. I'm going to see if I can get the pushback to 30 to pass. 28. Technically we need 28. I'm risking $185 here. Got my stop at the top of this swing here, so just above that 9 EMA. I'm going to go stop to break even if we get down to like 33. So looks like we might get stopped. Yeah, I think I'm going to get stopped. What up, Pine Tree? How you doing? Hey, Timbo. Little gap left down there. Yeah, there is. Good morning, Rob. Oh, we'll see. Probably get stopped on this, but we'll give it the old try. Woof. I don't know what that was, but okay. Thank you very much. I think we just passed. $19. Which one was that? 397? Yeah. Boom. Boom. Pre-market, 1,500 on an eval. Let's go. Give it to me. Yeah, Pine Tree, I agree. Not a bad way to start the day there on the eval. $1,500 bucks. Nice 5-minute sell there that we took. It literally just wicked right through my target. Wickage. I got less than a minute here from opening. Let's see. The 25th of each month has been very red, bearish day for the last 5 months. 26th has been very bullish. Kind of makes sense, right? I think we have earnings today too, don't we? Let's check out Mancini's information. What did he say? I know 88 was a level of support. We're below that now. Yeah, below 98. We sell to 62. So we're kind of below. We're below 98 now. Not kind of. We are. YouTube streaming videos like yours are suddenly blurry. I don't know why. Is it blurry on my end? It could be because I got the low data latency. Yeah, I'm using Take Profit Trader. It probably is because of the low latency, because I have a very short. I don't even have it. The delay is like 5 seconds. So. Yeah, NVIDIA earnings today. All right, here we go. There's open. There's open. Pushing down into the new day opening gap there, 200s. Nice push. ES down off the 88 level all the way to 82. Mancini says that we sell down to 63, next level down. Or 62, I'm sorry. We're ripping lower. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that Bassett. What up, Matty Matt? 21063. Nice little rip back up here. There is a potential 30-second opportunity long. I don't hate it because we did run the London low. Or, yeah, the London low there. No, that's not London. That's what is it, Asia? No, that's not Asia. It's interesting. What do we think of that one? I mean, it's going to be A+, right? Because it's so low. All right, there's the entry. But I'm giving it a moment. All right, I'm in here. Stop to break even is going to be very quick on this one. What, 45? Oh, I'm going to get killed. God dang it. I waited to see if it bounced. Ah, that sucks. Yeah, it could even get to 45. That's horrible. All right, well, that's a quick loss. What do we got? Gold looks a little ill, maybe. That's rough. That just killed it right away. And the thing is, like, I mean, I gave it a second. It pulled back and then started to push. Is what it is there. If we find another spot, we might take it. We'll see. It only goes up. Well, I don't know. I think it might go down. That was a pretty bullish reaction there. It just failed. Of course, my getting stopped out was not bullish, but you get what I'm saying. Like that push up there simply failed. I started to take it on these other two accounts. It probably would have been smarter. A little test of the 9 there. Morning, Bobber. Morning, Vince. Yes, below the 82 here. Just kind of chopping around before it decides to make its way downtown. We'll see. I don't know. I don't hate the setup. It's probably a little too close to open. Probably should have been just a little more patient. No, I'm not using TradingView, Ben. This is Quantower. I do have a TradingView subscription, and I do have some charts set up for it. I just don't have them open currently. Yes, pushing back up 84s here. ES holding here 82. 83 there. Nasdaq trying to push back up. Look at that rip higher there, 36. Good morning, Andy. Apple's dumping. That's what I call a boner candle. That's what we would call a boner candle. Boner. $50 touch there. It's like it's not even there. VWAP 62s. Pushing above the VWAP could be interesting there. ES back to the VWAP as well, 59.90. Fell breakdown of the 88 would make sense here. Two trades, 30 points. Let's go. Good morning, Andy. I don't know if I told you that already. Dun, 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 dun. Holding that level there, pushing. Back above the VWAP there. 86 potentially. Pushing above the VWAP. Nah, ES above the VWAP as well here. Kind of losing a little steam there. What up, Robert? Dun, 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 dun. We're just waiting. If it was meant to be, it would have been. This is true Black Beauty. Are we going to hold this gap? I don't know. Seems to be so far. Below the 50. Are we going up? Or are we going down? What's it going to be? Who knows? Okay. Problem is going to be, this is going to be invalid by time. I mean, like, my stop is so wide. Gonna need like a retrace in order to get in here. Otherwise, I just have to sit it out. These candles are insane. Yeah, Dan, makes sense. All right, I'm in for a real quick reaction. Taking it off. Taking it off. So down like 315. Those will be the only. That'll be the only trades on these accounts today. Trappy kind of both ways here. What up, Money Viddy? Very trappy. Short at 3 at open. DCA 12 more at the high. Got out 1.8K. Let's go. I think this thing is going down, but unfortunately I just can't, you know, not much I can do about it. So far it's kind of chopping. ES back to the 88, kind of testing it there. Got the VWAP right there at the 90 on the ES as well. I mean, I think if we can get back below like 215, we can sell down, but this thing breaks and makes a new high. That's concerning. Little VWAP touch there. Man, this thing is just, I don't know. This is just trapping in both directions, guys. It's trapping in both directions. Be careful. The initial long failed, and then the very next short failed. So that tells you, like, this is not good price action. It's really trapping both directions, you know. This long failed, and then this short failed. So you got back-to-back setups that failed. And now this long looks like it's about to fail. It just triggered a long here too on the way up. And you see the break evens at the high, the opening print, or the 274. So yeah, that's probably going to be it for me today on those accounts, on these fundeds. Down 332 on them. Not gonna, we got a little slippage. So that does put us red on the week by about $100. So, and then your Bulenox accounts are going to be a little different there because these take 2 instead of 1. So they're also going to kind of just be at break even. So, I mean, it is what it is, right? Got to accept the losses. And I mean, unless something just stands out to me like, oh God, I got to take it, then I'm probably just going to be eval only here because there's no point in doing anything crazy. I tried to sign up for a My Funded Futures eval yesterday, and like they took away the ACH, and that's literally the only way I could pay. It would not let, it won't take any of my cards. Like it says suspected fraud, even though like it's Quantower that's, or not Quantower, My Funded Futures that says expected fraud, not my card. As I don't know why it does that. I have no idea. Let's see if it'll let me buy one this morning. I need to try the Coles Cash, yeah. Do they have PayPal? I don't know. I don't see PayPal as an option. So like right now I just tried to do it and it won't. It's doing the same thing it did yesterday. And now my bank sends me a message and says blah blah blah, and I say yes, it was me. So that 1 minute that's not very obvious, didn't fail, but the first 2 setups of the day failed. It's ridiculous. So now I have hit that. We'll refresh it. We'll try it one more time, but I know it's not going to work. Did the same crap yesterday. Like, it shouldn't be so difficult to buy an eval. Like, how do you expect me to get an eval when you don't let me pay for it? Man, that pre-market trade was a banger. I guess I should have traded that. Suspected fraud. I have no idea. We filled the gap in a hurry. It's going to be a green day. We'll see. I guess we can open another. We could take a take profit trader account. Let's start a new take profit trader account. I wanted to work on a My Funded Futures, but so we've got 2 take profit traders passed. Oh, please log in. This thing's going to the moon. $6,004. Okay. Maybe we do have a green day, and maybe the earnings sweep the 943, right? We shall see. All right, just bought a take profit trader one. Let's see how long it takes to load. I mean, I guess I could go ahead and buy. I could go ahead and get a couple of Apex accounts too. I do want to get some more Apex accounts passed. Build those up a little bit. Is it 2 day pass or 5? It's 5, but the last couple of days, for whatever reason, Jay, like I had 2 days on one and it showed that I passed. I don't quite know why. Pushing the 300s here. $6,004. It makes me trade the accounts the same exact way, whether eval or pro. Good point. I hope so too, Matty Matt. Let's go. Need 20 accounts back? Yeah. I'm going to work on a few more. I'm going to buy some in a few minutes. I just got to get. For right now, we're going to. It's kind of breaking out here. Tradeify growths are pretty good. Yeah, the problem with that pine tree is that you can't use it on Quant Tower. I cannot use it on the Quant Tower. I mean, look at that dump, guys. This is crazy. Pull back into the 9 there. Shit, fuck, I didn't mean to do that. I accidentally entered another. Man, I did not mean to do that. Crap. I did not turn the copy trader off and I entered another trade. So stupid. I didn't mean to do that. I think that cost me like another $40 or something. Yeah, it did. Oops. Oh, well, at least I recognized it right away. So, I didn't mean to do that, guys. Did not mean to do that. One of your accounts. Yeah, I mean, it's hard, Matty Matt, using micros on that copier. So, really is difficult. Yes, back to kind of that 96 area. Yeah, yeah, Peter. At least I got out right away. Oh, you haven't got Replicanto? Yeah. Replicanto's better with the micros, from what I understand. A little VWAP bounce there. Didn't quite get back to it. Pretty close. Close enough, I'd say. Topstep copier simple, yeah. Good bounce here. Off the good old VWAPy. That one would work, right? So I want to count back to positive. I was going to try to switch over to these and kind of work on them one at a time, but I took that on one funded account. It worked right away for 20 points. Yeah, Treff, that's, I mean, that VWAP bounce right there, 40 points. Look at that. 40 points. Yeah, I'm not a fan of it. I hate weeks either. Not a huge fan of it. So I'm trying to get over to a take profit eval. $1,397. Nope. All right, here it is. 377. Let's delete these drawings. Missed the bounce. Was getting more coffee. You liking the 25K take profit traders? Yeah. Yeah, this price actually not great. Really is not. You gotta have to. I'm thinking of just going for scalps. Back above the whole number here. I was thinking about stabbing there, and then I was too late. Might still do it. And as soon as we enter, she pulls back. Put it below the 9 there, and the 90. Looks like it's going to get me. Bad entry there. Should have waited for the 9. Shot me in the tick there. Oh, yeah, I forgot about the news. 10 a.m. news. I forgot. I did indeed forget about the news. This is really, I mean, we're just kind of grinding higher here. I was thinking above 300 that we'd pop into this high at 330. But I'm going to go stop to break even at that 317 mark. So stop to break even there. See if we can push through the 330. A lot of wicks up there. A lot of like kind of stuff in that area. Was considering taking that off for the 20 points there, but just didn't. But probably should have. Yeah, Ben. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking what might happen here. It's kind of annoying. We're not... I should probably be taking, like, just the normal scalps. I think that's what I'm going to start doing here. Because I could have had 20 points there, and instead I get stop break even. Feels bad. What I might do... Yes, kind of hanging out above the 6,004 here. Leading me to believe we continue to push. Let's see. All right, might get stopped out here. Let's see. I'm gonna add one there. Just to move the stop down a little bit. Out on the first. And wreckage on the second. You got to slave you. All right, Jay. We'll see you. I'm going to go for some scalps here. Like it not going to work. Going to get stopped. Perfect. Oh, nice job, Tick T. Thank you. Currently down $1,200 on this account we just started. Nice. Bad entry. Okay entry here. Just didn't take profit. No, wait, was it? No, here was okay. Just didn't take profit. I don't know. Yeah, VWAP's held double 2 times in a row here. Dun, 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 dun. Down 1,000 now. We'll have to work our way back. One scalp at a time. Yes, pushing up there, 6,008, back to the 6,003 again. Kind of chopping. Kind of chopping. Holding up here 280s. Looks like the only level that's kind of being respected so far is the VWAP. The 9, the 21, and the 50 are just kind of being, well, the 50 not so much. But we'll see. Yes, back towards the high. Yes, make a new high there. Nasdaq holding up. Not quite getting there yet. Five-minute chart's nasty too. Nasty. Does feel like we pushed the high, but it's like, how do I get in? Dun, dun, dun. Kind of want to add here, but too dangerous too. Too dangerous too. Might need to switch over to just VWAP plays here. Yeah. That's probably what I'll do. Switch over to the VWAP plays. You called the short, then the long? 361 trader on tilt. Yeah, maybe. He was trading off the 5-minute earlier. He's going to see the wicks. It fooled you. Yeah, definitely range. We're definitely developing a range. Room. This is wreckage. Wreckage. It's just shot me in the tick a couple of times and ripped. Now it's through that 330. It's going. Yeah, that is some huge wicks on the 5-minute high. Oh, yeah, needed a bigger stop. Well, I had 15 points. I don't know. That's bigger than I normally have. Good morning, Barack. How you doing? Trade better on up days. I don't know. I mean, you can get wrecked in both, sort of directions. We're red over here, Barack, down $350 basically on 10 accounts. Perfect. Or I'm sorry, that's actually 310 on 10, 350 on 10, and then 6 on another 2. PCA saves. Yeah, Jamie, exactly. Exactly. If we blow this account here, we'll switch over to Apex evals. Or we might just call it a day and come back and trade the earnings later today. Yes, close the gap and Q still inside. No, I'm not giving up. I just, just saying. It might make more sense to have better price action in the afternoon than we have right now, right? Let's see. I was trying to... Okay, there it is. All right. Let me go ahead and pick up a couple Apex evals right quick. Quick like. Yeah, crude oil is at 10:30. WHQ. Just going to pick up. I think I'm just going to do like one at a time, and we'll see how it works out. R4 at 451, a bunch of wicks. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Going to be A plus. Yeah. So I'm taking this one. If you guys are curious, this is kind of that 5-minute play that I was taking. That I kind of took pre-market there. Similar setup here. Just kind of a little breakout play. 30-point stop, 30-point take profit. Let's see if it can push. I want to see what happens at the 50 here. I'm probably put the stop in at break even at 50. $47, we'll say that's close enough. There's 50. $20 points locked in here. Go. Want to see it hold. All right. Just got a few bucks back on that. Feel like I jumped in the dolphin tank they wanted to play. Yeah, exactly. All right, I think it just hit the target there on that push. So if I just trusted it and left my stop, I got to do better at that. Yeah, I got to get better at that. Yeah, you got that up there. That couldn't even be your target, 451. So down 900 on that account now. $400 is what you thought for first. Yeah, we're pretty close to there now. Pivot point 405. I mean, this is still an okay spot to look for a bounce. I mean, honestly. You know, resistance kind of turning into support there. The Ninja Trader account is smoked. Thank you. Perfect. Makes me feel better. No, I'm just kidding, Pine Tree. Yeah, no, it sucks. But hey, it was all for fun, right? Like you said, it was free. You may have said 361 Trader on tilt. You may be. But it doesn't count because you didn't put any kind of wild guarantee on it. So that's what made it hard, you know. That's why I didn't mark it out. That's why I didn't mark it out. All right, let's try to get some scalpers in. Do we try the 9? I mean, it's not worked all day, so why not, right? Yeah, Trav, I don't blame you on that. And then if you're wrong, you're screwed, right? Tournament style trading reminds you of tournament poker. Let's go. How often do they have those? Man, that's ripping up. I do feel like this is going to go to the 451, especially if we get back above the 20. Feels that way anyway. Yeah, 8 minutes until initial balance is set. ES all the way up to the 60-20 here. Next level up, 6037. Can you get an account and call it chat, and we in the chat can call the plays? I don't know. I think Nutty's doing that. Isn't he? I saw in his recap last night he was taking one of his funded accounts and doing that or something. Something along those lines. I don't know. It'd be tough to do. Could, but it'd be kind of tough to do. Bounce. As soon as I entered it said no bounce. I mean, we got the 50 level here. We got the 9. Can we not hold the 50? For a little bounce here? Okay. I was going to say, like, we got the 50. We got the psych level. We got the 9. Come on. Thought you was on micros and traded 6 minis. Hopefully it went your way. Oh, 0 Day J tried it once. It didn't work. Yeah, because by the time you get the entries, it's like too late, right? Unless you're just taking like one person's call outs for the day or something like that. I'll try the 30 bounce. Bounce. Let's try the 30 bounce. No 30 bounce either. Rude. 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 Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Can you be nice? Can you be sweet? I feel like being at the watching Pawn Stars, be like, break even's best I can do. Like you're asking for, can you give me 5 points? Break even's best I can do. I took it off break even. Oh, darn it. It was going to give it to me and I took it off. Oh, man. Break even's best I can do. Oh, you blew it? Oh, no, Matty Matt. Oh. Like, how much you want for this? I want 10,000. 800 bucks, best I can do. 800 bucks. That's it. Maybe I should be like taking these to the downside. Like, oh, it's going to the 50. Let's take a short. You know, that sort of thing. I don't know. Oh, I am kind of shorting into support here, though. For sure. You know, it wouldn't have bounced like that if I'd longed. Dude, it was just an experiment. You don't have to punish me fully for it. It was just an experiment, bro. Look at there. Just tried an experiment, man. I wasn't being serious. ES back up to the 15 here. Kind of rejected right off that 20 level for the ES there. My internet appears to be acting funky. Yeah, I guess we do kind of have a 1 minute trend line here, then, don't we? Roger. Once I draw it, it is now cemented in stone, and that's where it is. You're long? All right, perfect. Room is long. How much is my stop? Stop is at the low. All right, I'm long too. Room's long. I'm long. And we'll DCA to solve everything on any pullbacks. All right, room. This is rude. Oh, room. Really? Really, room. Last time I listened to you. Last time I listened to you. Rude. Nah, 300s. I mean, you expect a bounce here. At least to some degree, right? That's a pretty good bounce off of 92. Back to the 310. Back to the 50. All right, is the VWAP touch in play here? Kind of looks like it is, huh? Short it down to the VWAP. All right. If you say so. We've only got $360 in drawdown left, so this is all or nothing on this play. Essentially full port. And then do we go for a VWAP bounce? So tags us out of one, tags us into a bounce. All right, we're into the bounce. We're out of the short, into the bounce. Let's go. What did he say? What did Tamimi say that Room didn't like? Let me look. Demod Room. Oh. All right, we're back to a $900 in drawdown. All is well. Room said, I'll delete that message to Mimi. Oh. Look at that there. Paying again, guys. Oh. Trying to see. What's going on? Oh. I don't know. It's not letting me doing it. Hey, Dr. T Trades. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Nice job, Tom. Let's go. Caught 25 off the VWAP. Yeah, that's funny. Make room in admin. Can you not, anybody know on APEX? What's the ticker for gold on APEX? Because I don't see GC under futures. Am I overlooking it? I don't see it on there. Oh, wait. Is that it right there? Aha, I found it. Never mind. Found it. All right, we got it. I don't know why I couldn't find it, but it wasn't coming up. Thank you, Casio, Black Beauty Trev, Coach Fred. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you. CL is oil, isn't it? Man, look at that bounce off the VWAP there, guys. Holy cow, 50 points. ES back to the 15 level. Oh. Oh. Struggling with this Take Private Trader account. HG copper, yeah. Lumber. Yeah, exactly. Design. You thought I said oil? Nah. Gold. Gold. If we get back below the 50 here, we might stab short again. Oh, there's been a few hotos. I don't block anybody typically though. Yeah, exactly, Treff. It's hard to do sometimes, right? Doom, doom, doom. We hate on each other? Yeah, maybe. You had a gas station hot dog this morning, so I'm good. Yeah, you could be. You might be in trouble there with that gas station hot dog. I mean, do we long here up to the trend line or short the break of the 50? Short the break of the 50 is what you guys say? I don't know. Looks like long would have been the answer, huh? Middle fiddle. You only trust Max? Yeah. Unfortunately, he's over there being quiet, not giving me any assistance at all. Not giving me any assistance. There's the trend line touch. Try a little scalp off of it. Hey, we're only down $990 on this account now. Back to where we were before Room told me to full port long here. Rude Room. So rude. It's almost like it only goes up. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Only goes up. Close. Breaking above the trend line here. Do we have initial balance set? Yes, we do. Does it hold? I don't know. Oh. Even down is still up. Yeah. You thought you were going to die, Trev? Yeah, those can be. I've been there quite a few times. Those can be scary experiences, for sure. Definitely could be scary experiences. I do think if we pop the 50 here, we could probably go. I'm going to take a long off maybe that 330 kind of level. Or maybe I'm not. We kind of crossed over there, so I was expecting a little more. 50 touch? Just looking for a little 5-point spots here. Kid, you can give a leeway, but I am constantly amazed at how difficult driving seems to be for most people on the road. Gas, brakes, steer, all in all. Yeah. For sure, Tom. I mean, if we get back below the 50 there with some strength, I will we'll pay the shorts a visit. We will pay the shorts a visit. Maybe we're glutton for punishment and we go 2 minis instead of 1. I don't know. Yeah, EMA bounce there. The 50 bounce. Not bad. Although we could get a little opportunity here with a little 30-second long. Mechanically, it's not bad. So 43.75, just looking for 5 points into the 50. We'll take it if we get it. Okay, I'm in with 2 minis. Thinking it closes above. We're going to take 1 off there, and we'll target the IBL on the other, IBH. Oh my gosh. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. That is horrid. I'm telling you, these plays are just they've been getting my face ripped off all day here. Like, that was a clean 30-second play, and it just ripped lower. Just ripped lower. Ridiculous. I realize it's kind of into the trend line, but we didn't touch that yet. You thought that maybe that would at least get to break even. Nope. So, yeah, well, I wasn't really looking for a breakout there. I hate more along the lines of just a 5-point scalp and then a push into the IBH. Maybe I shouldn't have went 2. So 400 away from passing. Let's go. Oh, you went 400 away from passing to daily loss. Yeah, that sucks. That sucks. I feel you. We are about to blow this account. We do have another, we have an Apex account loaded up. So, rude. Do we put the account out of its misery here? I don't know. May as well. And oh, that's what I don't have over here. I don't have a drink today. Won't post your trades in the chat. No. Nothing wrong with that, Room. You post your trades. I'm just giving you a hard time. Nah, I don't like scotch. I don't drink. I don't drink any alcohol at all. I don't. Hey, we live to see another trade. Hey, hey, hey. We live to see another trade. Let's go. You're not. Oh, it's a chip in a chair. A chip in a chair. Come on. That's all you need is a chip in a chair there, guys. You got a shot. Cove's Poker, is it tonight? Let me look at his Discord. Do you post it in the Discord? you guys didn't know, Cove Trader has a poker night. We will be playing in it, if it is tonight, indeed. Trying to find his thing. Where is his, I cannot find his, oh, there it is. I was going to say, I can't find it. But if it is tonight, we will stream it with a delay. Back to the 50. Do we try it again? Yeah, it would have worked. In late, but we'll try it. Dude, I just want 5 points. That's it. Couldn't give it to me. Yeah, I went to the Discord. I didn't see it anywhere, Andy. Where's it at in the Discord? I was in very late. What up, John? I should have just left the stop where it was, huh? Chicken. Oh, he's announcing it right now. I can pull his stream up, I guess. Cove Trader. All right, are we going to just take another trade here and just hold the breath? See what happens. Let's see. Oh, a cash gain. And we might just be stopped. Let's see here. Oh. Bull bottom. Let's go. Go up, Nasdaq. We just need the fitty. The fitty. Come on, that's rude. That's rude. It's rude, bro. It's rude, bro. I'm looking, Bob, trying to see. Trying to see how. Stop doesn't even matter. We only got 200 to draw down, so. Oh, your short room? This is going to be a win for sure. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Oh, goodness. Needs to go now. Gots to go now. So, yeah, he's trying to post the link. If he posts the link, I'll post the link. And we can all link up. All right, we blew the account. All right, let's switch over to Apex eval here. Boom. So we're waiting on this. So he says it's going to be a cash game, which I'm a fan of. He said it's real money, so we'll see. Ugh. Ugh. I'm in a gold long on this eval, by the way. Looking for 31.50. We're in a gold long here, guys. How much can you take from a 300K? $500 minimum in the first payout. Who's trading the NVIDIA earnings? I might, Trev. When are they? What time? Do you know? Are they at 3:30, Bob? They're not after the market closes? That's interesting. Nice. If they're at 3:30, I'll definitely trade them. If they're somewhere in there. We'll pick up some Apex accounts and we will get the old hedge going. Stargazer Lily, how's it going? Nice weather. Let's go, Pine Tree. Hit the gym. Get out there and play some baseball in the cold. Oh, that's Central Time, so 4:30. Keegan, 4:20. All right. Yeah, so Gabriella, so after hitting the 20K mark, I can request for more, right? What account are you talking about? The 300K, Gabriella? So on the once you hit the 300K is really the worst account. I'm just going to tell you that, Gabriella, because when you hit your drawdown, so whatever your drawdown is on that account, that's your profit target. And once you hit the drawdown, you can only take out $500. You can go $500 into your drawdown. Now, your max withdrawal is more than that. So anything above that, I think, what is it, 3,500 or is it 2,750? It's either 2,750 or 3,500 or something like that above there. So I didn't even notice equal highs there. And how did I miss that? 3,500. Okay. So, yeah. So in order to get to 3,500, you got to make your drawdown plus $3,000, and you could take out 3,500. So whatever your total, your initial drawdown is, that's your profit target. Once you hit that, you can take out $500. Anything above that, you could take out up to $3,500. 300K account have 20K in drawdown? How much is the drawdown in the 20K or the 300K? $7,500. Oh, okay, got you. So once you get to $7,500, you can take out $500. That's why it's really not an account I love, but nothing wrong with that. They're masturbating buyers right now, and Treff is one of them. Oh. I'm in. Woohoo! Gold trade popped up to 928. We're looking for the 31s. Gold's not moving very much. Luca, today I lost 480 on a PA and 25K and only had $500 profit. Today I lost 480. Oh, well, you're okay, Luca, there. I mean, so you're basically break even is what you're saying? One more time? Yeah, why not? Add? Okay. Booyah. 0 for 2 so far. Yeah, me too. Second day of 1K profit on your Bulenox Master. Let's go. Nice job, Coach Fred. Loot tuck toner session on the NQ. Yeah, seems that way. $15-minute doji candle so far. This is going to have some pressure built up. Yeah, I think we pop higher. I mean, I think the 451 makes sense, right? It's up there a bit, but kind of 450. Uh-oh, our gold trade is going to the moon! To the moon! Do we lock some in here or what? Maybe go stop to break even. Stop to break even maybe above 929. Give it a little more room there, a little more time. Should I just degen and go short in one and long in another? That's what I do, Matty Matt. That's what I do. You can kind of long down in this zone. We've kind of developed a range here. If you're thinking we're bullish, that can kind of just be your buy zone. Buy, buy, buy. It's kind of what I did here. John, I don't know about unemployment. I don't know if we'll get enough movement. What do you guys think? Do have some resistance here at gold. We've kind of turned back down here a few times. This does need to kind of break out. This might be a good TP spot for me, actually. Maybe I should TP at the 929. I'm going to TP at 929.1. Yeah. I think I'm going to TP at 929.1. What do you guys think? I mean, it's kind of, a lot of resistance here. We could pop out of it, but could also turn down. So we need 5 more ticks. We have earnings this afternoon, John G, at 4:20. NVIDIA earnings. I think that would be a better play. You entered on your personal funded on gold because I said, yeah, let's go. Definitely don't copy me because I don't know what I'm doing, but again, it's kind of having problems in this area. That's a pretty heavy rejection. Well, we got the stop in there, so we'll see if we can hit the TP. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, exactly, Trev. What are we up on that Apex account anyway? Yeah, we're up like $500 between the two. I mean, that would be 5 points on gold would be 28.289. Yeah, I'm going to go 5 points. 28.9. 28.7. 28.7. It's 2 ticks away from my TP. All right, I moved my stop up to 28. To the moon over here, to the moon. What up, Trader Oracle? Let's go, Trev. Nice job. Stopped out there at the 28. Little pullback. So up 593. I'm probably going to take a little bit of a risky play here. I'm going to... Actually, I don't love it now that I look at the ES, but oh well, we're in it now. I was thinking about adding in here... I was going to add in more contracts here, more size. At least wanted 2 of them. Pop into the 90 maybe there. Something like this. See if we can hold here. So mad at yourself for that rookie mistake. Glad I had max loss set. Otherwise, it would be 18 PAs blown. Yeah, that sucks. Citizen Zero. But at least you still got them. You can still rebuild. Rebuild. Zero trust. Nothing wrong with 20. Nothing wrong with 20 there at all. I mean, if we get back above the IBH here, I will go back in with it. This is kind of what's been happening the last 3 days, right? Push above, close. Not a great close here, but still. Pull back, get back above, and rip. But the other way. You have 1050Ks over 52.6. Can I still withdraw 500? Yes. You sure can, Citizen Zero, and I recommend it. Blew the short. The long about to get stopped. $350 entry, $374 exit. Nice. So if we repop IBH here, I'm going to get back in with probably a reasonable size. We'll see. Gold's paying. Oh yeah, broke out. See, my target was up there. It actually almost hit my target there. 930, 150. Telling you guys, I'm new with gold though, so I don't, it's hard to trust it sometimes. All right, appreciate you, Citizen Zero. Need 389. I think you get it. We popped the 70. I probably could just go ahead and park an order kind of like there. We'll go like 3, 4, and one of them we'll put up here. So I want to see a boner candle right through there. The entry's different on all of them. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, we left equal highs here. This might actually be I should have longed right there. Oh, I got in late. That's all right. Rip it. We're in everything. We're out a lot. We got 2 more. There we go. Let's go. Stop into break even-ish. Targeting the 405s. Can we do it? Can she do it? E389. Good morning, Amelia. How's it going? Go 389. Are you there yet? Oof, not quite. Ooh, now you're there. Ding, 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 ding. We're red Dave trade. $300 on our fundeds. On the whatever on the apexes. We did pass we passed a take profit trader eval, and we blew a take profit trader eval. And now we're working on a apex evaluation. Let's get through this 90 drama. I think we see a boner candle into the 405s. Minus 1200. Yeah, it's tough day, Dave. Tough day. Too choppy, Amelia. Yeah, probably best way to go there. Number 1 code, myth. Let's go, Matty Matt. Minus 4 unrealized options. Oof. Big op. Tough. Nice job, Dave. You'd rather chat. Nothing wrong with that. Now, I could, and I might, 365. I could here do this. This is the good retest. A little bit scurry, but I'm going to do it there. We're going to be in 4 mini. Actually, let's go 5. Why not? And if it gets back above the high there, then I'm going to take these off. Full port, that's what we're doing. Yeah, mega op. Me too. I can't do options. But thanks, Nate. I appreciate you. Yeah, we had a rough day today. You're going to have those from time to time. I didn't trade the smartest either. You can always look back on your entries and stuff and be like, that was dumb, right? I'm actually going to leave these on here. I was going to take them off, but I'm actually going to leave them on. Options are calling your name, yeah. The daily open hit and hold was the trade. I didn't even see it, Curd. All right, I think we get to run into the 405s now. Should be a pretty big candle here. We are coming outside of the macro, though. Oh, was that the open? Quantower is straight garbage this week. Yeah, I'm having some issues too, Black Beauty. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't have an update, I don't think. Let me see. No, there's no update. So I don't know what's going on with it. You're afraid to pull back? Yeah, that 90 area, Treff. I mean, like, you see what happened when we hit 90, right? I mean, you had a good target. We hit 90, we pull back, what, 15 points. So I don't blame you there. Oh, nice job, Big Op. I'm just now starting to trade gold. Would my target have been hit? It would. So I was long gold here, and my target was here, the body of that candle. I was actually in kind of late. Should have been in down here at 23, but yeah. Hit my target, now pulled back. I got scared of this little shelf here. I thought maybe we might reject there. We actually broke through it, but that's all right. We locked down some profit. That's all that matters. See if we get that pop here. Like I said, I was expecting a big candle a moment ago, but the way the market's been acting, it's not going to give it to you when you expect it, right? It's going to do it after. Now I want to see a big quick pop into the pivot point there at the 05s. If you're long here and you can scale, I mean, I would target 451. I don't think it's unreasonable. 450. The 450 area is completely reasonable up there. I think we have a little gap filled here too. Yeah, 408. Can it go? I mean, it's holding up in the 90s here. I don't know why. I thought it would have already popped. Watching the ES here. It's up at 6023. Hit the 50 EMA on the hourly. Okay, good to know. 6045 for the day. Trade on ES. Nice. I think, yeah, that's my my next level up's 37 and then 52. So 4 or 5 could happen. This could be a bounce spot too. I should have taken that. Does ES hit the initial balance high right there? The retest on the ES. That was the direct retest of an IBH there on the ES right there. That's why I watch both, but I didn't get in there. Again, I want to see a kind of just a biggish candle right into the 405s. I'll try this again. There we go. Go break even on this trade. This is my entry down here, 375. I know it shows my average is 385. So here we go. Should get it this time. Maybe. Little 400 psych level pop right above. 3-4 points. If I'd have thought about that, I would have, instead of taking those off there, I would have held one up into the 51. Ooh, really? Really? Oh, you got a one tick me there. I'm going to take it off right there. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Let me run in here for 1 second. All right, I'm back. So would it have gotten me there? Yeah, I don't think it did. You're wondering if we just come right back up? We'll see. Oh, dang it, I missed it. Darn it. I missed it, guys. Do I just go ahead and put this up here and we'll go break even back above, back kind of up in the 90 area? I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's go break even there and let's target the 451. Why not? I missed the initial balance high retest there. I would have taken that 100%, but probably get stopped out on this, but that's okay. Yeah, stopped out. That's all right. You're wondering if we come right back up? Yeah, 60s. I don't know if we get down that low is the thing. I mean, I guess 60's not that low, really. No first test is the best test, but I'm going to try it here. There we go. So now up $1,910 on this eval. Has to get to that 1 hour 200 MA touch regardless. Where's that at? You think, where's that at, Black Beauty? And I like this to pop more, actually. Back above 90 here. I might even go ahead and add back. I might even jump back in. It's going to be late, but I think we could get a decent sized candle there. We'll see. Bring it down to meet it. All right, that's a pretty big candle. That's kind of what I'm thinking, Treff. Right now it's at 6,100 on the ES. Yeah, I don't know. Dangerous to take this here, really, to be honest. There's the 90. I'm going to move the stop down to here. 20 points. Excellent RR. I know. I know. Excellent RR. We'll probably move the stop in at break even at 92. I know that's awfully close, but we could just tap into this gap and turn back down, so theoretically could. This tells you how much I love my entry. Let's move this up. There we go. So would have got the 5 points right away. I was looking for more there. I was kind of looking for more there. Yeah, this is kind of what I was worried about there. That's why I went break even so quick. I mean, you got like this just small gap there. You can see how that just held us. The tiniest of gaps. Just held us down. Man, IBH is so strong right now. It's going to break eventually. We know that, right? And now is eventually. There's the 50 touch. Look at there. Full port. Well, not full port. 5 minis. It looks long until it doesn't. Yeah, exactly. Nice bounce off the 50. We've held the 50 the whole way up here, except for that one dip below there. But otherwise, we've held the 50. We've held the 50. Yes, also bounced off a pivot there, 6016. Vic's trying to pump. Yeah, I mean, you know, I don't know. Price action's not. It's not been great. Let's be honest. I think I'm a little more in tune with it now than I was this morning. Clearly, but this morning, just nothing I did work. Just nothing. Probably would have been best just to sit on the sidelines, but I did not do that. Yeah, you did call it. Nice call, Trev. You lost 680 today. Should I stop trading? Yes, Luca. I think $600, especially if you're on a 50K account, is a really good stopping point. So I lost 350 and I stopped. You know, I think I'm down like 650 or 680 on a couple of the Bulenox accounts, but those take 2 minis instead of 1. So, but yeah, I would stop. Just switch to an eval if you want to continue to trade. You're open to get in here, but I don't know if I should play off the IBH. Yeah. Oh, it's a 25K? Yeah, Luca. I would say probably $300 is good stopping point for a 25K. So I definitely would stop. Unless you got a nice big buffer or something. Do you have the London close here in what, 3 minutes? I'm tempted to long here, but I don't know. Yeah, I was kind of tempted to just jump in there, but do think we make new highs here. I'm going to try this. We'll be risky, but I'm going to try it. Wreckage. Back down to 1,500 in profit. She trapped me. Let me trade how I want to trade. Leave me alone. Alpine against the chat. Uh-oh. Trend line on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's a good point. I did have that drawn out, didn't I? I forgot about it. I had that drawn out earlier. I forgot about it. Actually, probably could draw it from the entire... Kind of right there at it. Just kind of chopping IBH here. ES does look a little weaker. 50 held again. I have no idea, Trev. I mean, I'm thinking that now that we're kind of failing to make a new high here, we're kind of getting lower lows and lower highs. That is leaning me towards taking a little short here. Maybe into the 50 level. But who knows? I'm shorting right into the 50, which I'm sure is a great idea. But it has been tested a couple times, so it can only do one of two things. It can either work or not. Nope, that looks like a knot. Kind of wanted to see it burst through there on the 11:30 candle. There we go. All right, move the stop to break even. Has yesterday Asia high been taken yet? No, Nate. It's at 4. Well, Asia high? Yeah, Asia high has been taken a long time ago. But we have previous day high up in the 450s. Or not previous day. Yeah, I guess it is the high. Up here in the 450s. So it's kind of like thinking maybe that's the draw, but who really knows? What up? Matt, we're red. $300. $350 times 10. And then 700 times the other 3. Or no, 2. We are green on one funded account. I forgot I got that one back to green. Oof. I think this goes down now. I mean, we're losing the 50 here for the first time pretty much today. So I'm going to add into this. I'm going to move my stop back up here. I'm going to kind of target this wick down here if we can. I'll add into this as it, well, not now. I was going to say if it retests the 50, but I'm not going to do it now. We retest the 50, I'll get back in. Or did we run that? Yeah, we didn't run the wick. Kind of did test that previous support area. Locked in 6K in payouts. Let's go, Matt. You the man. Let's go. Nice job. I want to see a little bit of a elevator here. I think we can get a little elevator here. I think we get a little trouble through the 50, but once we get through the 50, I want to see a little elevator. Let me give it a little bit of room here, like 11 points. I think it might push back up one more time. Dump it, says Matt. He doesn't understand the whole point of prop firms. It's like, why don't you build an account? Yeah, he doesn't. Yeah. We know why. Come on. We're in for 5 here. Not a good look. I should have probably killed it right there when once it went back up. No! Or full port play. It's not working. I should move the stops up, but I don't want to. Don't want to. They probably should have been like up here somewhere. Theoretically. Appears to only go up design, yeah. While I'm short for sure. Well, I guess we were too aggressive there. Too aggressive. $35K loss in a day? That's a lot. Hit the trend line there. Just trying to see here if we do go. Kind of watching that 80, kind of 84, 85 area. Oh, 10 Apex count right payout. I had to take that one extra trade. No. Yes, at a pivot point here. I feel a short here, but I'm waiting. All right, now I do think we pop. ES at the 6020. Initial balance high up there, 21, 2050. Could get a little reaction back down here. So I'll give this a little more room. You're not streaming yet because I still have day job and don't want to stir trouble. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I think that's a great time to start. It's a great time to start. $3,786. She'll turn around or pop down. Needs to go. Mig, I've been trading for, I think May would be 3 years. I've been streaming for 2 years in May, April, May area. Oh, let's go, Kurd. Nice. 16 points is terrible. What? What? All right. I'm thinking of adding here full port. Turn your heads. There's full port. Turn your heads. I'm going to start dragging the stops up here because I want it to just go. So if it doesn't, it can just stop me out. Oh, come on. That was so close to my target. That's rude. That was rude. Again? Yeah, Mig, it takes time. I mean, I'm struggling today. I have bad days too. Everybody, it doesn't matter if you've been trading for 10 years. You're still going to have bad days. I can't help it here, guys. I'm going to port full it in a moment. We're in 3. I can't hit the button anymore. Oh, wait, I'm in 10. Oh, yeah, that's right. This is APEX. I was thinking about Bulenox. I was thinking about Bewley. We were in port of full right there, if you guys didn't know. Port of full. Oh, yeah, Trev, I should have. I was like, man, I just spammed the buy button. And stop down on the runner. Yeah, Kurt, that's what I was kind of aiming for there. Up $1,700. Is that Monday's low? Because I really didn't even pay attention to that. That would kind of make sense if it is. Yeah. 70, 68 area. All right, guys, I do have to end the stream there. You want to see one more? Actually, we only need 1,700. Let's go. One more full port before we go. All right, which way you guys think? Long off the IBH. One more full port, long. Full port. Last trade. One for the road. No work. Wreck. All right. I'll be back tomorrow, guys. 91% off Bulenox. Don't forget. 80% off APEX. If you want to help support the channel, use those. 50% off Take Profit Trader. You guys know the deal. We'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. and I'll see you guys then. Thank you for watching.